What's up, guys? Welcome back. Exciting news. Just got off of worked a long day, and UP Garage hit me up and the car is ready. And I got stuff I gotta do tomorrow, so this is a real last minute thing, so I apologize for that. But luckily my brother-in-law Steven, right there, he's giving me a ride halfway there, and then Tyler 2JZ is gonna pick me up and take me the rest of the way. Be sure to check out this guy's YouTube. He's the one who makes my main theme, so yeah, go ahead and hit him up. Anyways, I'm super excited. We got the RB28 installed. That's the HKS 2.8 stroker kit. Yeah, they had to bore out the block, reinforce the motor for the bigger pistons, and it's all forged. And then we upgraded the DR500 turbo to the DR500 turbos, and including the SARD 850cc injectors. And right now the wheel horsepower is at 425, which puts me at motor output around 500 horsepower, so I'm super excited. Sadly, it's raining right now, so we're not gonna be able to capture the full goodness today, and plus I gotta break it in. All right, Tyler with the save, appreciate it, man.
Do what I can.
Yeah, and we're gonna arrive just in time. They close at 6, well, I'm sure they'll keep open a little bit for me, but still, I don't like to be that guy. We are almost there. All right, rolling up. Gate's still open, 4 minutes to spare. That's how you do it. Oh, got a Midnight Purple 33.
It's out in the rain, just chilling.
Yeah. And there she is. Yes, guys, we made it. We got the car back in the garage. So, you know, we just got to talking because I got there like right when they were closing, but Doug's really awesome over there, and we were just chit-chatting, and next thing you know, it's dark. So I didn't film it on the return trip, and it was raining, but I promise this video, don't worry, I will get this bad boy going some daylight, and we'll drive around, check it out. Braking period that we're doing is 500, about 500 miles, break it in for, and then do an oil change, and then we could really get on it, see how it does. But I can tell you right now that it's like almost instant torque. I can really tell the 2.8 stroker. So yeah, now it's, yeah, I'm just speechless, super excited, super pumped, tired from work, gotta wake up early for work tomorrow, but we got it here. It's back with RB28, better twin turbos, bigger injectors. Yeah, just so much. I'm super excited. Thank you again, Doug, Eric, and Matt over at UP Garage. Yeah, and I'll explain more here in a minute, but now I just gotta get to bed. All right, we're in it now, guys. And this thing, oh man. Yeah, we are in the car now. It's pretty nice out. Well, for winter, but here we go. I mean, it just it's so fun. I drove to work today, and I am absolutely impressed. I can't push it too much because I gotta break it in at least 500 miles, do an oil change, and then go from there. But man, it's just, yeah, words can't describe it. It's just an awesome feeling. Feels like a totally different car. As far as the power output, the torque curve, all that, like, that's great. So we'll just walk around, go down to the park, get out of the way from everybody, and I'll do a quick walk around. Now the car's super dirty because, you know, it's been sitting for a little bit. I will wash it, but it's like raining off and on, you know, this is the time of year. But we'll get the hood popped and check out what we can see. Obviously most of it's internals, and with the low mount turbos you can't really see it, but I'll do my best to show you. Yeah, I mean, it's such an improvement on this. This is a lot of fun. You know, they took really good care of the car over there. Really glad to get it back. Like I said, it's dirty. Drove in the rain last night. But yeah, I'll definitely have to redo the tire stuff. Been sitting for a couple months. But yeah, let's see here. Oh yeah. Look at that. So, man, just driving it. It used to be so clean in here, but just driving in the rain, I'll definitely have to detail inside. But it just, yeah. Everything is on the bottom end. I got the HKS pistons and forged pistons. Was it? Stock is 86 millimeters. I went to 87. And then the forged crankshafts, HKS. So this is now an RB28. I know it says RB26, but like I said, all internals, 2.8 liter stroker kit by HKS. And then the Start 850cc fuel injectors. Just after my boost up, I was maxing out those injectors for sure. Oh, and real quick too, this is real nice. They went ahead and repowder coated the intake plenum for me, so it doesn't have that chipping away paint and looks really new. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for that. That's awesome. And now the DR500 turbos. Can't really see it, but they're there. There's one, and then two. You see the wastegate, but man, those things hit so hard and so quick, so fast. Oh my god, it's just so much fun. You guys have to experience it. Just the low end power is just astronomically different. And what's awesome is Doug said that when I do the VCam, because the pistons are already cut for the HKS VCam step 2, the step 2 is a drop-in. So eventually later on, you guys will see this will be a VCam as well. So total HKS build. This thing is so fun. So next thing's next. Let's go and show you guys what it could do. Just remember, I'm trying to keep it easy. It's extremely hard to do. It just, yeah. Just gonna do the 500-mile break-in, but we'll at least get a taste of it, and then more to come for sure on this. We have so many videos of this thing. All right, so we're headed on the highway. We actually following my wife in the Q50 Sport. Just gotta make our way to the highway. No, I want to play it safe though. It's a pretty expensive build and I'd hate to ruin it right away. Here we go, 2.8 stroker, DR 500 turbos. Woo! Shit. Yeah, that's not, I'm not even getting on it too much. Man, this thing is so much fun. For all that are curious, so my initial one was, I went ahead and did the boost up, and that involves the Link G4X standalone ECU. You plug your computer on and tune it, and the boost controller, HKS EVC7, I believe. But yeah, and then a bunch of other things with it, you know, little like oxygen sensors and stuff, and that brought me from about 275 wheel horsepower up to 365 wheel horsepower. And then now I got the stroker kit, 2.8 HKS 2.8 stroker kit, DR 500 turbos, and the SART 850cc injectors. And I'm trying to be really modest. I mean, we could probably really push it, but I just want a nice GT car, fun to drive. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh, I can't wait till I can like really open it up. I'm a little nervous to do that, but jeez. It sounds good, it feels good. I love it. Yeah, it pulls so nice. And those turbos, they really kick in. And with my boost up, I was actually up to 19 psi, and I'm with a lot more horsepower now. Well, not like a crazy amount, but with a really good amount. And I'm running 14.5 pounds, and that puts me at 410 of the wheels on Mustang dyno, and that's where I'm currently set at right now on this map. And on the dyno chart that I showed, we got it up to 425 wheel horsepower with 18 pounds, I believe. I can't remember. It shows it there on the dyno. I'll probably boost it up a little bit later. I do this VCAM step 2, so that way we get the full build and I'll just totally unlock it. But man, this thing is so much fun. With the stroker kit, I can sound it's a lot deeper, so I can tell the difference. It's probably around 60 miles an hour, 2,900 RPM. I'll slowly slip on the throttle, and there we go. I would do a lot more launches, but just trying to keep it easy right now. I just got the car back. You know, I know I keep saying that, but as I'm saying that, I'm also reminding myself another dream come true of mine. So I just want to say thank you to my family for supporting me on this. And took a hit on it, but I got such a great deal from UP Garage, and thank you again, Doug, Eric, and Matt. This thing is amazing. All right, and there you have it, guys. That is my new RB28 powered GTR 33. Yeah, it's just, I want to get this video out there real quick because I've been waiting for this thing to get done, and I was just eager to show you guys. So sorry if the video wasn't too entertaining, but I promise it will get better. Yeah, I'm just super stoked. It's back home. Get to come into the garage and, you know, see the 33 here again. But let me show you how tight of a fit this is. And that's the front with the garage door closed. And that's how tight the back is. Put this foam pad up here so that way, in case I actually bump into it, it won't do too much damage. But I think the reason why this is here is because we have a gas water heater, and I don't want to back and hit that, so that wouldn't be too good. I think that's why that thing's there. And here's my stock Garrett turb skis for the GTR 33. But yeah, man, I'm just super pumped. This thing's amazing. Can't wait to shoot more footage of this, and super glad it's back. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Take care.